Welcome to objective number 1, behavioral values on pregnancy. Persons are defined by behavioral values as a book is judged by its cover. Persons' behaviors come from inspirations as religion, culture, education, career, or adaptation to environment. Behavioral values are beliefs, components of lifestyle, and qualities which might be positive or negative, moral or immoral, ethical or unethical, right or wrong. Behavioral values rotate around guiltiness or consciousness, worthiness or unworthiness. Behavioral values intoxicating person's behaviors are known as vices. Behavioral values purifying person's behaviors are known as virtues. Behavioral values are determined by hobbies, interests, likes, or dislikes. Behavioral values might be obtained, behavioral virtues might be obtained from role models, from religious teachings, from cultural teachings, believing persons deserve better treatment, believing righteousness, believing someone spying on you, avoidance of bad name or reputation. Behavioral vices might be obtained from believing the world is a brutal place or hell for strong survive, believing people are powerless to change their fates, believing people don't deserve gifts or relations, believing people are untrustworthy, unloving, or evil, believing life is meaningless and full of sufferings, believing in free life with no policies, believing in abnormality, curse, or insanism. As persons move through life, their behavioral values might change or remain constant based on challenges, experience, academics, occupations, age, gender, or surrounding environment. All have ability to influence a decision. Success or failure might change behavioral values, either positive or negative. Successful persons might be humble or arrogant, so pride is always determined by achievement. Much challenges might harden persons or might make persons to give up. Some might be humble or rude from challenges or failures in life. Much pain or sufferings might bring compassion or hostility. How persons behave is how they think. So visible behaviors reflects the soul and the mindset, meaning there are those who are sensitive and insensitive to danger, active or inactive to touches, instincts predicts reality. Persons who are old, infant, too busy, sick, drunkard, or lazy have low response to external stimuli or insensitive to surrounding. The greatest influence to behavioral values is love. There are several types of love from Greek definitions such as agape, philia, pragma, storge, eros, ludus, mania, and philasias. Love has the ability to change human behaviors to positive or negative ends. Despite it being a virtue, and the greatest commandment ordained by the Almighty God, love might attract vices such as pain, regrets, paybacks, rivalry, death, hatred, despise, humiliation, depression, or stress. So love is a crime. In other words, love is a special value combining virtues and vices depending on circumstance, nature, and persons involved. Love might attract joy or bitterness, faithfulness or unfaithfulness, honesty or dishonesty, low esteem or high esteem, forgiveness or revenge, discipline or indiscipline. Love has sent persons into marriages, love has sent persons into prison, love has sent persons into graves. So love is the greatest influence to socialization, sexual activities or pregnancies. Love has loopholes for misery. Love is a bet. You might win or lose. Love is slavery. It makes persons to monitor affiliated persons from dressing code, emotions, conversations, movements, or spying them. And so, love creates behavioral harassment. Love has no limitations but hypocritical. Virtuous person might love wasteful persons. Virtuous girls have been married to robbers. Virtuous men have married prostitutes. Behavioral values are reasons for policies, courts, disciplinary committees, punishments, oath-taking, or rehabilitation centers. Such rules or institutions are created to govern human values. Hell was established by Almighty God for virtuous persons and paradise for virtuous persons. Above all, sexual immorality connected to love is the greatest sin rebuked from the holy books. Paradox from behavioral values. Apart from natural disasters, uncertainties, or divine interventions, behavioral values are greatest causes to human sufferings. Value is full of surprise and imbalances. What is expected might not happen, and what is not expected might happen. What you consider a virtue might be someone's vice, and what you consider a vice might be someone's virtue. What you consider legitimate might be illegitimate somewhere, and what you consider illegitimate might be legitimate somewhere. Behavioral values are about perceptions, personalities, or lifestyle. Beliefs makes behavioral values to be complex. Value is a puzzle that gives opportunities to those it favors. Sometimes young persons might be virtuous, sometimes old persons might be viceful, meaning value is not always about age. Age does not guarantee wisdom. Existence of sugar daddies or sugar mummies addicted to sexual relations from teenagers contradicts behavioral values, meaning there are two levels of adolescence, teenage adolescence and adult adolescence, and so born before dawn is not guaranteed to maturity. Sometimes unmarried persons might be virtuous, sometimes married persons might be viceful, meaning value is not about marriage. Existence of extramarital affairs contradicts values, and so getting married is no solution to romance. Sometimes irreligious persons might be virtuous, sometimes religious persons might be viceful, meaning heaven might not be guaranteed for religious people. Sinners might qualify for paradise instead. Prostitute for a wife might be better compared to religious wife. Sometimes unemployed might be virtuous compared to employed people, meaning value is not about occupation. Sometimes illiterate persons might be virtuous. Sometimes literate people might be viceful, meaning going to school does not guarantee understanding. Illiterate wife might be better compared to literate wife. Pregnant schoolgirls contradicts behavioral values. Sometimes virtuous persons known as innocent people might be arrested, jailed, killed, or blamed for mistake they didn't commit. Sometimes viceful persons might be guilty of wickedness, yet gets away without punishment or being noticed. And so viceful persons might prosper compared to virtuous persons. Thanks for listening. I've been your top researcher, Emmanuel Sakid, explaining model of teenage pregnancy.